Hello fellow collectors, I hope you're doing very well. Today I have an unboxing of this Jim Jarmusch collection from Arthaus, aka the label that StudioCanal releases lots of their films under in Germany. It is just the same as most of the other StudioCanal director box sets that I have, but I will just quickly mention that there is only German subtitles on the discs. I bought this set because I thought obviously Jim Jarmusch is an American director and all the films I've seen of his so far were in English, so it doesn't really matter. But I put Night on Earth in, and of course two of the stories aren't in English, one being set in France and the other in Finland, so I ended up having to rent it, which was a little annoying. So just something worth mentioning if you are considering picking this one up.